Hi, I'm Joe Paiva with GeoLearn, and I am with the Oregon Tech team who is participating in the student competition at the NSPS conference in March of 2017. I'm here with two team members, so let me start by asking Aquila, who's the team leader, if this is the entire team.
Yes, this is our team.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about w- your enrollment in school, where you are in terms of completion, and what you hope to do when you finish.
I will be graduating this June from the geomatics. I'm doing the option in land surveying and a minor in GIS. And I hope to just get a job once I'm done with school.
Great. And we have the other team member here. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Mosier Locke.
And Moshe, can you tell me where you are in your school program and what you hope to do when you finish?
Yeah, I'm a sophomore this year in our program, so I've got a few more years to go. At this point, I'm doing the surveying major and the GIS minor. I'm just hoping to get a job somewhere after school and then maybe the possibility of pursuing another degree afterwards, but we'll see what happens.
So, how does a team leader get selected in a two-person team?
I took it on myself. There was no selection.
Oh, okay, one of those take charge types. Okay, so I understand that your project is kind of interesting because you actually ran a level loop outside the building, but you also ran one inside the building. So, what is the purpose of running these level loops?
So the outside level loop was each of our benchmarks were set on a load bearing column on the exterior of the building. So we ran that level loop and then closed back on an NGS class 2 monument here. Then the inside level lines connected to the exterior columns as well. So those lines are the we're most concerned in this project with the interior points, but we needed to set the exterior points so that we could see how the shift is in relation to the load bearing columns.
I see. So what? How did you break down the tasks with two of you? How did the tasks get broken down?
We did have a little bit of extra help when we did the field work because it would be difficult to just do it with the two of us. So we had people helping hold doors open, like interior doors. We took some shots from the exterior level loop to the inside, so we needed people to hold everything open. And when you're using high precision equipment like this, you have to be very careful with it. So we did have some help with carrying equipment around. So, it wasn't just the two of us doing the field work, but the two of us have done the rest of it pretty much.
So tell me about the actual field work. Who ran which part of the equipment, and how was the analysis done later?
So a lot of it was we rotated back and forth between holding the end of our rod and running the instrument. So we got a good variety of both, as well as the other members that worked with us, our classmates. A lot of the data analysis was just taking the information that we had, putting it into an Excel sheet, and then running it through the StarNet software and doing a least squares adjustment. So a lot of it was just kind of sitting at a computer for a while, inputting data, and then just waiting to see what comes of it.
And what did you learn from this project?
You learn a lot of things when you're working on a project with just a few members like this. Communication is really important. But then with the actual leveling part, we learned just kind of like what's going on with the buildings and foundation and why it's important to really monitor and keep track of where the foundation's moving, if it's moving, and kind of what factors play into that and how we can work around it and what to do to.
Great. And so, how does it feel to be a team leader on a project like this?
It was a lot of stress. It's a lot of work. We put many hours into this project. Both of us did. I am very happy with what we were able to accomplish, and I think we worked well together. So it was fun, but it was stressful.
So, when this whole thing is finished, will you go, I'm not ever doing something like this again?
Probably not.
Okay. But hopefully, professionally, you'll be more active, and I wish you both the best, and I hope you both, wherever you end up, join the Young Surveyors Network to build a more dynamic profession for the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.